the A major scale. I'm focusing on the left hand. Just know that in the right hand I'm holding my pick and I'm using alternate picking. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. I'm going to be in first position, and there's going to be a shift to second position on the thinnest string, on the high E string. Okay, here I am in first position. A, sorry about that. A is the fifth string open. B, second finger, second fret. C sharp. You can see fourth finger, fourth fret. A, B, C sharp. Now the next string. D and E. D and E. So I'm going to put those together. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp. Fourth finger. So the first two strings are exactly the same. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp. And now G sharp with the first finger. G sharp, A. And there's the first octave. Okay? I'm going to do it again. First two strings are exactly the same. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Now continue on to the second octave. A, B, C sharp. You know where C is. C sharp is a half step above. D. Okay, I'm going to do that again. A, second finger on the G string. A, B, C sharp, D, E open. And when I play E open, I'm going to be sliding that first finger or index finger into second position to play F sharp, G sharp. So F sharp, G sharp, A. Okay, second octave again. There's A. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. And then of course we go back down. A, G sharp, F sharp, E. When I play the open E, my index finger, my first finger slides down to first position with the whole hand. D, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, and that's going to be the hardest part. G sharp, F sharp. Keep that fourth finger out there. F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, A.